At this point, it's important to clearly explain what strong actually is, because strong isn't a motivational system. It's not a workout plan, and it's not about fixing yourself. Strong is a structured coaching framework designed to help men rebuild clarity, confidence, and physical capability during and after prostate cancer treatment without relying on willpower alone. It exists because cancer treatment doesn't just affect one part of your life, it affects everything at once. Strong gives structure to that reality. So this is strong. S. Set your mind each morning. Strong starts with the mind on purpose. Because if you don't consistently set your mind each morning, the day sets it for you, often with uncertainty, or fatigue, or frustration. This isn't positive thinking, it's orientation. It's helping a man begin the day grounded instead of reactive. There's strong evidence that morning routines involving intention, reflection, and gratitude reduce anxiety and improve emotional regulation in cancer survivors. The T stands for train your body with walking and strength. Movement is essential, but it has to match the season you're in. Strong uses walking as the foundation because walking supports circulation, mood, recovery, and confidence. Strength work is introduced thoughtfully, not to chase performance, but to preserve function. This is about supporting the body, not challenging it to prove something. Studies consistently show that moderate walking and appropriately scaled resistance training improve physical function and fatigue levels during and after prostate cancer treatment. The R stands for refuel intelligently and nurture gut health. Treatment disrupts appetite, metabolism, and hormone balance. Strong addresses nutrition, not through restriction, but through support. Fueling for energy, fueling for recovery, fueling to stabilize mood. Gut health matters here more than most men realize. Nutrition and gut health play a measurable role in fatigue, inflammation, and mental clarity during cancer recovery. The O in strong stands for optimize rest and recovery. Now, most men underestimate recovery. Strong treats rest as an active part of healing, not something you earn after doing more. Sleep, downtime, nervous system regulation, these aren't optional. They are foundational. Recovery is where adaptation happens. The N stands for navigate the mental battle and identity shift. Now, this is where most programs stop and where strong goes deeper. Prostate cancer challenges identity. It quietly asks, who am I now? Strong helps men navigate that shift without judgment, without pretending nothing changed, and without getting stuck trying to go backward. And the G stands for Grow into Strong 2.0. The final step isn't about returning to the old version of yourself. It's about growing into the man you're becoming now. Strong 2.0. More aware, more intentional, more grounded. Strong isn't about going back. It's about moving forward with clarity. So I want to clarify something because this matters. Walking is still the foundation of everything I teach. In fact, many men begin by rebuilding consistency and confidence through a structured walking routine. But walking alone doesn't address the full picture during prostate cancer treatment. That's why Strong exists, to build structure around that foundation. For some men, a walking-based program is the right place to stabilize first. For others, they're ready for deeper guidance. Strong is designed to meet men at that next level. Now, I want to say this carefully. If you're listening to this episode and thinking, this explains what I've been feeling, or I wish I had this kind of structure earlier, you're not alone. Strong exists because men don't need more information. They need guidance through the fog of war. Coaching isn't about being told what to do. It's about having someone who understands the terrain and walks it with you. Now, I offer a strong coaching clarity call. It's not a sales call, it's a conversation. It's a chance to talk through where you are and what kind of support would actually help. You can learn more or book that conversation at walkingforhealthandfitness.com/prostate cancer clarity call. That's it. No menu of options, no pressure, just clarity.